Hello everyone, hope you are well. So today we will talk about Nubia redmagic 9 Pro. So first of all we will talk about this one body. This one body weight is 229 gram, glass front, aluminium frame, glass back. Display. This phone display is 6.80 inch AMOLED 1B colors, 120 Hz refresh rate. Display resolution is 1116 into 2480 pixel. Aspect ratio 20:9. Cheapest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm. Memory 256GB with 12GB RAM and 512GB with 16GB RAM. OS Android 14, redmagic OS 9. This is the latest OS. Rear camera is 50 megapixel with a 1.5 aperture. Macro lens 2 megapixel with 2.4 aperture. Front camera is 16 megapixel with 2.0 aperture. Video capture. Rear camera can capture 8K with 30 fps, 4K with 30 and 60 fps, HD with 30, 60, 120 and 240 fps, and front camera can capture HD with 30 and 60 fps. This phone battery is 6500 mAh, so you can get a good battery backup from this phone. And this phone charging system 80W wired charging system. Connectivity 5G, dual SIM, Wi-Fi 7, NFC, USB 3, fingerprint reader, good sound system. So that was the video for today, and we will see you in the next video.